In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove indicators and objects in MT5. If your MetaTrader 5 charts are starting to look cluttered with too many indicators, lines, or shapes, cleaning them up will make your analysis much clearer and easier to follow. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step using the chart's right-click menu and the Properties window, which is one of the simplest ways to manage what you see on your screen. First, make sure you have MT5 open and you're looking at the specific chart you want to tidy up. It could be any symbol or time frame. The process is the same. Move your mouse over the chart area itself, not on the tabs at the bottom or the price scale on the side. Then, right-click directly on the chart. This right-click menu is where you'll access most of the tools you need to manage indicators and objects. After you right-click, a context menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Properties and click on it. This opens the Properties window for your chart. Think of this window as the control center for how your chart looks and what is displayed on it. Here, you can adjust colors, grid lines, and more importantly for this video, how indicators and graphical objects appear. Once the Properties window is open, follow the on-screen prompts and tabs carefully. You'll typically see sections that let you adjust the display of objects and indicators. For example, you may see options related to showing or hiding object descriptions or other visual elements that can affect how busy your chart looks. Take your time to read each option so you understand what it changes before you apply it. If your goal is to remove clutter, you can use these settings to hide unnecessary visual elements that make your chart harder to read. After making your adjustments, confirm them by clicking the appropriate button, usually something like OK or Apply. In the Properties window, your chart will update immediately based on the changes you just made. That's all you need to do. Right-click on the chart, open Properties, and then follow the on-screen prompts to manage what appears on your chart. With just these simple actions, you can quickly clean up your MT5 workspace and focus on the price action and indicators that truly matter to your trading.